Is it worth fixing a phone that is 3 years old? This is one of the most asked questions on Reddit, Quora, and tech forums right now. And the honest answer is it depends, but by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do with your phone. Before we start, listen carefully. This video is made with the help of AI, but every single solution you will hear is 100% effective and workable in real life. If you watch this video fully, you will be able to solve your problem by yourself. If you face any difficulty, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start with a quick 10 seconds reality hook. Most people replace their phone not because it is dead, but because someone told them it is old. And that one mistake costs them hundreds of dollars. Now let us talk like a real technician. A 3-year-old phone is not old. In repair industry terms, 3 years is midlife, not end life. Most modern smartphones are designed to last at least 4 to 6 years if maintained properly. The first thing you must check is performance, not age. Age does not kill phones, problems do. And most problems are fixable. Let us start with the most common issue, battery. Over 70% of 3-year-old phone complaints are battery related. If your phone drains fast, heats up, or shuts down suddenly, it is usually the battery. A battery is a consumable part, just like car tires. Replacing a battery restores 80 to 90% of original performance. Battery replacement cost is usually low compared to buying a new phone. In most regions, battery replacement costs between 15 to 40% of a new phone price. And after replacement, users on Reddit report 1 full extra year or more of smooth usage. Here is a technician trick. After battery replacement, always calibrate the battery. Charge the phone to 100%, keep it plugged in for 1 more hour. Then use it until it reaches 10%, then power off the phone. Then charge it again to 100% without interruption. This improves battery health reporting accuracy. Now let us talk about slow performance. A slow phone does not always mean weak hardware. In most cases, it is software clutter. Here is what technicians do before recommending replacement. Go to settings, then go to apps, then check background usage. Disable unnecessary apps running in background. Clear app cache one by one, not data, only cache. Avoid one-tap cleaner apps, they often make things worse. If your phone supports storage expansion, move photos and videos to memory card. If not, use cloud backup temporarily and free internal storage. Phones slow down when storage is more than 85% full. Another powerful trick, go to settings, then go to system, then developer options. Set animation scale to 0.5 times. Set transition animation scale to 0.5 times. Set animator duration scale to 0.5 times. This alone makes a 3-year-old phone feel much faster. Now let us talk about screen damage. Cracked screen looks scary, but it is not always a deal breaker. If touch is working and display is visible, screen replacement is optional, not mandatory. Many users continue using cracked screens safely with tempered glass. If screen replacement cost is more than 50% of phone value, replacement may make sense. If it is below that, repair is usually worth it. Now, motherboard issues. This is where you must be careful. If a repair shop says motherboard problem without testing, be cautious. Motherboard failures are rare compared to charging port or battery issues. Always ask this question: is it component level repair or full board replacement? Component level repair is cheaper and safer. Full board replacement is expensive and risky. If motherboard repair cost is above 60% of phone value, do not repair. This rule comes from longtime repair professionals and forum consensus. Now let us talk about software updates. Many people think no updates means phone is useless. That is false. Security patches are important, but lack of latest version does not stop daily use. Most banking apps, social apps, and productivity apps work fine on 3-year-old versions. And custom lightweight launchers can improve usability drastically. Here's another technician level trick. Disable digital well-being if you do not use it. Disable unnecessary system analytics. These background services consume resources silently. Now, heating issues. Heating is often caused by battery aging or background sync. Replace battery first before judging heating problem. Also check charging cable and adapter. Low-quality adapters cause excess heat. Always use original or certified charger. If your phone supports fast charging, heat is normal during first 10 minutes only. Now, camera issues. Blurred camera is often dust, not damage. Professional cleaning costs much less than replacement. Camera module replacement is only needed if sensor fails. Now let us talk about resale value. A repaired phone with new battery often sells for more than a degraded phone. If you plan to sell later, battery replacement increases resale confidence. Here's a hidden trick most people do not know. Reset phone after backup. Set it up as new, Install only essential apps. This alone fixes many unexplained bugs. Now the big question, when should you not fix a 3-year-old phone? Do not fix if the phone has repeated motherboard failures. The phone has severe water damage corrosion. The repair cost crosses 70% of new phone price. The phone no longer meets your core needs like camera quality or app support. But if your phone works fine except battery, storage, or minor damage, fixing is smarter. Now let us compare with buying a new phone. Budget phones often compromise camera, display, and build quality. A repaired old flagship often performs better than a new budget phone. This is why many Reddit users regret replacing instead of repairing. They downgrade without realizing it. Now a reality check. Repair is not emotional attachment, repair is financial intelligence. Here is a technician rule of thumb. If repair cost gives you at least 12 more months of smooth use, it is worth it. If it gives less than 6 months, it is not. Now let me give you a step-by-step decision formula. Step 1, list problems clearly. Step 2, get written repair estimate. Step 3, compare with 50% rule. Step 4, consider performance after repair. Step 5, decide logically, not emotionally. One more pro tip, always back up data before repair. Never assume repair shop will do it. Also check repair warranty. Good repair shops offer at least 7 to 30 days warranty. Now let me be very clear, 3-year-old phones are not trash. They are victims of marketing pressure. If your phone meets your needs, fixing it is the smartest move. If it does not, replacement is justified. Technology should serve you, not control your wallet. If you learned something new today, support Tech Vibes by liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for real-world tech solutions without hype. Comment below if you are confused about your specific phone model. I reply within 1 hour. Thank you for watching. Stay smart with your tech.